everyone, Carla here, and I'm going to show you how to make a phone call using Google Hangouts. The first step in this process is to go to Hangouts, which you can get to by clicking hangouts.google.com or clicking the 9 square, or as the kids like to call it, the waffle, and accessing the app from there. It's usually down lower because it's not something we use a lot. Next, dial the phone, click the phone call icon. It will bring up a list of your contacts over here in this window. Dial the number that you would like to call. What will happen to some people is if you haven't set up the phone calls yet, it will ask to verify your phone number and that this is an actual person calling and not a robocall. So there'll be an option to verify that you're really a real person by sending you a text message. You will enter in the code that the text message then sends you, and then you should be all set up for calling. Next, you dial in the phone number that you'd like to call and you click call. And what happens is a new window opens up where you're actually making the phone call. If I could just close that out. So I'm actually going to end the call by clicking hang up. And that's it. I should be able to talk to whoever I'd like to. And also, you can give them a call through your computer and not necessarily by using your own phone. All right. I hope that helps. Have a great weekend. And that's it.